China's J-15B is a powerful example of how modern capability doesn't always come from a brand new design. This video explains how an aircraft with older design roots gained advanced performance through smart upgrades, why these results matter today, and what they reveal about the future of aviation development. We'll explore the engineering logic, the technology inside, and the broader strategy behind keeping this jet highly relevant. The story of the J-15B begins with a strategic engineering choice: improve a proven platform instead of replacing it. Carrier-based aircraft face unique demands that go far beyond ordinary flight. Repeated takeoffs, heavy landings, and constant exposure to harsh environments place extraordinary stress on every structural component. The J-15's original design was built to survive these conditions, and that durability became the foundation for its modernization. Rather than altering the aircraft's external shape, engineers focused on reinforcing and refining what already existed. Structural improvements were aimed at increasing fatigue resistance and extending service life, allowing the aircraft to sustain higher operational tempo over time. This matters because longevity directly affects availability, maintenance cycles, and overall fleet efficiency. Internal refinement played an equally important role. As advanced electronics were added, careful attention was given to weight distribution and material optimization. These changes ensured that the aircraft could absorb new systems without losing its defining advantages. The J-15B maintains long operational reach and high endurance, allowing it to remain active for extended periods without frequent refueling. This characteristic is especially valuable for wide-area coverage missions where persistence matters more than speed. Another key element is takeoff flexibility. The J-15B is optimized for carriers that use ski-jump launch systems rather than assisted launch technology. This requires a balance of engine performance and aerodynamic tuning that allows safe and consistent departures while carrying useful mission equipment. The aircraft's ability to meet these requirements ensures it remains effective across China's current carrier fleet. What makes this approach important is the philosophy behind it. Instead of prioritizing appearance or novelty, the focus was placed on reliability, adaptability, and readiness. The J-15B demonstrates that thoughtful refinement can unlock new capability from an existing platform. This sets the stage for understanding why the most significant changes to the aircraft are found not in its structure, but in how it processes and shares information. The most transformative upgrades in the J-15B are internal, where information handling has become the aircraft's primary strength. Modern aviation increasingly depends on how quickly data can be collected, processed, and shared, and the J-15B reflects this shift clearly. One of the most important enhancements is the integration of an active electronically scanned array radar. This system allows faster scanning, more precise tracking, and improved performance in complex signal environments. Unlike older radar designs, it can perform multiple tasks simultaneously, enabling the aircraft to monitor its surroundings while supporting coordinated activity. Beyond radar, sensor integration represents a major leap forward. The J-15B consolidates inputs from various onboard systems and external sources into a unified picture. This reduces cognitive load for pilots and shortens response time during dynamic situations. Instead of reacting to isolated data points, operators can make decisions based on a comprehensive and continuously updated view. Electronic support systems further enhance adaptability. These systems monitor surrounding signals and help manage how the aircraft interacts with its environment. Rather than relying solely on physical characteristics, the J-15B uses intelligent signal awareness to adjust its behavior in crowded electromagnetic conditions. This adds flexibility and improves overall effectiveness during coordinated operations. To fully understand the J-15B's importance, it must be placed within China's evolving carrier strategy. China operates carriers with different launch technologies, and this mixed environment requires aircraft that can perform reliably across multiple platforms. On carriers such as Liaoning and Shandong, aircraft rely on their own performance to achieve takeoff. The J-15B's engine output, aerodynamic characteristics, and structural resilience allow it to operate effectively under these conditions. This ensures continuity of operations without depending on immediate infrastructure changes. At the same time, China is preparing for future carrier operations aboard vessels like Fujian, which introduce new launch capabilities. In this context, the J-15B acts as a bridge. It allows crews to maintain proficiency, refine procedures, and adapt to evolving operational concepts while newer aircraft types are gradually integrated. This phased approach reduces disruption and supports steady learning. Mission flexibility further reinforces the aircraft's value. The J-15B performs especially well in roles that benefit from endurance, payload capacity, and coordination. These include long-duration monitoring tasks, sustained presence missions, and cooperative operations with other platforms. In these situations, staying airborne longer and sharing information efficiently often matters more than external design features. Strategically, this reflects a layered development philosophy. Instead of relying on a single solution, China integrates multiple aircraft types, each optimized for specific roles. The J-15B fits into this structure as a dependable, information-rich component that complements newer designs rather than replacing them outright. This approach highlights an important lesson. Modernization does not require abandoning existing assets. With the right upgrades and planning, proven platforms can remain central to future operations. One of the most important takeaways from the J-15B story is what it teaches about long-term technology planning. Instead of treating aircraft development as a series of abrupt leaps, this approach highlights the value of continuity. By upgrading an existing platform, engineers were able to focus resources on systems that directly affect performance, rather than restarting every design cycle from zero. This strategy also reduces risk. New platforms often require years of testing, adjustment, and operational learning. In contrast, an upgraded aircraft benefits from decades of accumulated experience in maintenance, training, and logistics. That familiarity allows improvements to reach operational use faster and with fewer surprises along the way. Another lesson lies in flexibility. The J-15B demonstrates how an aircraft can remain useful across changing environments by adapting internally. As sensors, data links, and processing systems improve, the platform evolves alongside them. This means relevance is no longer tied to appearance, but to how well an aircraft fits into a wider technological ecosystem. Ultimately, this case shows that progress in aviation does not always depend on dramatic redesigns. Sometimes, the most effective advances come from understanding existing strengths, reinforcing them carefully, and allowing technology to grow naturally around a proven foundation. The J-15B demonstrates that meaningful advancement often comes from balance rather than reinvention. By refining a proven platform and prioritizing intelligence, connectivity, and reliability, China created an aircraft that remains highly relevant in a rapidly changing environment. Its evolution shows that modern capability is increasingly defined by how systems work together, not by appearance alone. More broadly, the J-15B reflects a steady, thoughtful approach to development that values continuity while preparing for the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.